Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this picture. You can see the chair, the bed in black color bed, beautiful bed, looking very beautiful. So also you can see very beautiful. You can see the down, you can see you can keep books and all, and you can see it there and read books. It's also very good. You can see the cupboard and the table. You can keep anything, chai, coffee or anything. Beautiful decoration, the wall decoration, the picture. You can see the lamps, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, looking very beautiful, very good decoration. And the wall also very beautiful, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the fan and all, looking very beautiful. And the window also outside, you can see beautiful, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the black color theme, good decoration, looking very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the black color bed, curtain and all, and the wall you can see the two lamps. You can see beautiful lamps and all, good lamps, looking very beautiful. And it's also very good. You can see the bed, you can see, and the pillow you can see, looking very beautiful, good decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, beautiful bed and all, good decoration, and the pictures up there. So you can see the cupboard and all, beautiful cupboard, and the wall you can see, and the bed you can see, beautiful bed. It's also very good. You can see the bed in black color and the golden color theme, the white color wall and the silver color up, this lamp, beautiful lamp and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small plant and the bed. You can see beautiful bed. You can see and beautiful bed. You can see, looking very good. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the wall. You can see, and the small plants. You can see beautiful plants. And the window, you can see beautiful window and all. This also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the wall and the window. You can see beautiful window and all, good decoration. It's also good decoration. You can see the floor. You can see a beautiful floor and all, good decoration, looking very good. And also you can see the chair, you can see beautiful, and the table, beautiful, VIP room decoration, good looking, very beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good also. And it's also very beautiful. You can see this everything very beautiful decoration and all, good decoration. And so also you can see the mirror and all, beautiful mirror and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down, so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.